Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to engine swap or swap your engine in Forza Horizon 6. All you need to do is open your pause menu, navigate to your garage, and once you're there, select the Cars tab, My Cars, select whichever car you'd like to upgrade, or just continue using Supra. Go into Upgrades and Tuning, Custom Upgrade, and then in the bottom right there will be Body Kits and Conversions. In here, the first option is Engine Swap. It will give you a list of the different engines you can select, and all you need to do is select one of them and back out and select Install Parts. And that's how you engine swap in Forza Horizon 6. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. See ya.